AZ Fluency, Level H, Making Limestone. Echo, echo. Making limestone. A long time ago, there was a lake. For many days, there was no rain. The lake became mud. The wind blew dirt and plants on the mud. A little bit of rain came. The water carried more dirt and plants. The dirt and plants on top of the mud were very heavy. The wind blew even more dirt and plants. It rained, and the wind blew many times. The dirt and plants piled up. The pile was so heavy that it turned the mud to rock. The rock is called limestone. So the main idea of making limestone is that heavy dirt and plants on mud can change it to rock called limestone. Or the main idea of making limestone is that people learned how to make limestone by observing what was happening in nature. Good job persevering with a growth mindset and roar Wildcats!